Ever feel like stress is overrunning your life and you just need a moment of peace? It's a sentiment shared by many in our bustling, rapid-fire world, fueling a growing interest in tranquil practices like Zen gardening. Imagine creating a personal oasis, a Zen garden, right at your own home. A Zen garden, also known as a Japanese rock garden, brings the tranquility of nature into your space. It's a sanctuary of simplicity and calm, designed to inspire reflection and meditation. The best part is, creating a Zen garden is easier than you think. First, find a suitable spot in your home or backyard that you can dedicate to your Zen garden. The location should be tranquil, away from distractions, and preferably in the shade. It doesn't have to be large, even a small corner can work wonders. Next, prepare the area. Clean it up, remove any debris, and level the ground. If you're outdoors, you might want to think about enclosing the space with a simple bamboo fence for that traditional Japanese touch. Now comes the fun part: choosing and arranging rocks. Pick large, medium, and small stones, each symbolizing different elements in nature. Arrange them in a way that feels balanced to you. Once you're satisfied with your rock arrangement, it's time to add sand. The sand represents water in Zen gardens, and it's where you'll be creating patterns with your rake. Finally, rake the sand in patterns around the rocks. The act of raking itself is a meditative process, helping you to focus your mind. And there you have it, your very own Zen garden, a sanctuary to help you unwind and find inner peace. Now that you know how to create a Zen garden, it's time to put your knowledge to use. Embrace this opportunity to cultivate your own sanctuary of tranquility. Share your journey. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration. Happy gardening!